A high-ranking French intelligence official has confirmed a significant development in the ongoing tensions between Pakistan and India. For the first time, a French-made Rafale fighter jet, operated by the Indian Air Force, has been shot down in combat. The incident marks a serious escalation in the conflict and raises concerns about further instability in the region. The French official, speaking on the condition of anonymity, revealed that the downing occurred during a recent exchange between Pakistani and Indian forces. The confirmation sent shockwaves through the international community, as the Rafale is considered one of the world's most advanced fighter jets. Its downing is a blow to India's military capabilities and raises questions about the effectiveness of its air superiority. The incident has also put a spotlight on the volatile situation in the region, where tensions between the nuclear-armed neighbors have been simmering for decades. The French government has launched an investigation into the incident to determine the exact circumstances surrounding the downing of the Rafale. French authorities are particularly interested in understanding the capabilities of the Pakistani air defense systems that were able to target and neutralize such a sophisticated aircraft. The investigation is expected to be complex and time-consuming, involving the analysis of radar data, communication intercepts, and wreckage. The downing of the Rafale occurred amidst a backdrop of heightened tensions between India and Pakistan. The incident Pakistan claimed to have shot down 2 Indian fighter jets during the exchange, a claim that India initially denied. The downing of the Rafale, however, lends credence to Pakistan's assertions and suggests that the aerial engagement was more intense than India initially acknowledged. Adding to the confusion, Pakistan claimed to have shot down a total of 5 Indian aircraft, including 3 Rafales, a MiG-29 and an Su-30. India, on the other hand, has only officially confirmed the loss of 1 MiG-21 Bison, with its pilot